Welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of construction and real estate. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of project feasibility analysis. Now, as a cost consultant and a project management consultant in the construction and real estate industry, I have seen firsthand the importance of conducting thorough feasibility analysis before embarking on any project. So let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's establish a clear understanding of what project feasibility analysis entails. Project feasibility analysis is a comprehensive evaluation of a proposed project's viability and potential success. Now, it involves assessing various factors such as financial, technical, legal, environmental, and market aspects to determine whether the project is feasible and worth pursuing. Now, let's explore the key components of a project feasibility analysis and how they contribute to the overall assessment. Assessing the market feasibility involves evaluating the demand and supply dynamics, competition, target market, and potential risk and opportunities. So this can be done by conducting market research, analyzing market trends, studying consumer behavior, and examining the competitive landscape. So technical feasibility focuses on evaluating the project's technical requirements, including design, construction methods, technology, and infrastructure needs. So this can be done by assessing the availability of skilled labor, reviewing engineering and architectural plans, and analyzing the project's compatibility with existing infrastructure. Financial feasibility examines the project's financial viability, including cost estimates, funding sources, return on investment, and potential profitability. So this can be done by preparing detailed cost estimates, analyzing cash flow projections, evaluating financing options, and conducting sensitivity analysis. Legal feasibility assesses the project's compliance with applicable laws, regulations, permits, and zoning requirements. So this can be done by reviewing legal documents, consulting with legal experts, obtaining necessary permits, and ensuring adherence to environmental regulations. Environmental feasibility focuses on evaluating the project's impact on the environment and sustainability factors. So this can be done by conducting environmental impact assessments, considering eco-friendly design practices, and ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. Now that we understand the components of a project feasibility analysis, let's explore the benefit it offers. Conducting a feasibility analysis helps identify potential risks and challenges early on, allowing project teams to develop mitigation strategies and minimize risk. By estimating project cost accurately during the feasibility analysis, stakeholders can make informed decisions and effectively manage the project's financial aspects. Feasibility analysis provides valuable insights and data to support decision making. It helps stakeholders determine whether to proceed with the project, modify the scope, or abandon it altogether. A thorough feasibility analysis instills confidence in project stakeholders, including investors, clients, and regulatory authorities, as it demonstrates a well-informed and strategic approach. Now let's discuss the steps involved in conducting a project feasibility analysis. First, clearly define the project objectives, scope, and desired outcomes to establish a framework for the feasibility analysis. Then collect and analyze data related to the market, technical requirements, financial aspects, legal considerations, and environmental factors. Further, evaluate the gathered data and assess its implications on the feasibility of the project. Identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. That is, do SWOT analysis for your project. Then compile the findings of the feasibility analysis into a comprehensive report that outlines the project's feasibility, potential risk, and recommended strategies. Finally, present the feasibility report to stakeholders, seek their input and feedback, and make necessary revisions based on their insights. In conclusion, project feasibility analysis is a crucial step in the construction and real estate industry. It enables stakeholders to assess the viability of a project, mitigate risk, control cost, and make informed decisions. By conducting a thorough feasibility analysis, project teams can set themselves up for success and ensure the effective and efficient execution of their projects. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy analyzing.